Wednesday, August 7th, 2024. Saint Sixtus II and Companions, Saint Cajetan. Focus. Again, I will build you, and you shall be built. Today's first reading is about the restoration of the exiled Israelites to their own land. A faithful and compassionate God once again restores everything to them: their land, their status, and their economic prosperity, because of His everlasting love and because the remnant of His people have humbled themselves and returned to Him with all their heart. One of my relatives was once wrongly accused of wrongdoing and demoted. Did she complain or give in to despair? Instead, she humbly prayed and trusted the Lord to give her justice. Years passed and nothing changed. Then one day, a new superior who was appointed, recognizing her innocence and competence, immediately promoted her to head of the institution. She is there even today. Thus did the Lord reward her faith and humility. When we meet injustice, humiliation, or ridicule, how do we react? With resentment, anger, and hate? Do we approach the courts seeking revenge and retribution? Or do we, like the Canaanite woman of today's gospel, accept our situation and humbly pray, patiently awaiting the Lord's favor? Even after Jesus' sharp rebuke, she did not lose heart and was amply rewarded with her daughter's healing. Saint Sixtus faced persecution to the point of martyrdom. Fruit. Today, I will visit someone who has been afflicted by injustice and comfort them with the hope that the Lord will one day restore their fortune.